Hey friends, Tim Kelly here. Just want to take a moment today and invite those of you who are seriously interested in learning portrait photography, studio portrait photography, or if you're already well established and you want some fresh techniques, or you may be more new and you need to know how to get properly started into studio photography with studio lighting. This may very well be the place for you. We're doing our annual 3-day workshop in my studio. Very, very limited. We do half a dozen people or less in our classes. It's already half full, but I did want to open it up. It is April 6, 7, and 8, 2021. And the first day, we do handle a lot of the business of portrait photography and studio, running your studio and marketing. The second and third day, however, is intensely on portrait design, technique, creativity, and we will be shooting a lot and we'll have models. And in the third day, we conclude our shooting with portraits of you, the attendees, whoever they may be. We do complete portrait study on our few people that will be here, and then we'll do the rest of the time doing some of my techniques in finishing, managing, retouching, pre-printing techniques I have. So every technique included in the creation of a Kelly portrait, whether it's for retail clients or it's a fine art piece for a gallery or a personal project, everything will be shared. So this is a special invitation because we never know if we're going to continue offering this class, as this will be the 32nd year, I believe, of doing it. And I'm not really doing schools anymore. I'm not really doing convention appearances anymore. So this, beside my YouTube channel, is the best way for me to offer some real intensive training, which just isn't available anywhere else. So if you're interested in advancing your portrait photography skills, just doing better work, being more confident, making more money, this would be the place to come. If you're interested, just follow links and we'd love to have you.